Hello, my name is Karen King of New Thought Talks and Workshops. Our subject at this moment is chronic pain. I've prepared a series of mini lessons and meditations on mind-body healing and made them available on YouTube and websites of affiliated New Thought centers. You can find these meditations and other mind-body healing playlists by going to Karen Sue King on YouTube.com. If you like what you see in this next 15 minutes, hit the subscribe button. The titles of this online workshop is Mind-Body Healing 102, The Anatomy of Healing. Mind-Body Healing 101, Something Old, Something New, is already on my YouTube playlist. The science of pain. Does it help us understand the anatomy of healing? It's true, pain is a weird, misleading sensation. Pain is generally described as physical suffering or discomfort caused by illness or injury. The discomfort signals actual or potential injury to the body. A medical dictionary or a neurologist might define it as an unpleasant feeling that is conveyed to the brain by sensory neurons. It is defined in Pain magazine as an unpleasant sensory and emotional experience. However, scientists question that if there are no emotions, is it not really pain? Most of us, outside the realm of medical science, associate it with actual or potential tissue damage, a stimulus that emanates from a perception. Isn't that one reason we fear it so? There are so many stressors in life, past injuries, accidents, or health conditions. In addition to the physical stressors, there are the emotional stressors such as unresolved painful memories from our past, social isolation, rejection, PTSD, sadness, grief, childhood adversity, and other additional anxieties. As we humans react to these stresses, we develop an overly sensitized nervous system. And it's not long before we focus on fear. We worry and we anticipate our pain. Our fear increases as we associate the pain with some catastrophic health issue. As our fear augments, our pain augments. Often in the case of chronic pain, long after the physical condition heals, the memory of that pain is stored in our brain and emotional stressors can set it off. The nervous system can learn to feel these sensations. The brain and central nervous system can become wired to make the body feel continuous pain, even in the absence of structural or tissue damage. In other words, pain becomes an unacknowledged habit. Neuroscience explains how stress can fuel persistent pain. The brain tells the body what to do when it's stressed. The blood flow shifts from the frontal lobes, our conscious way of thinking, into the limbic system, our emotional, reacting, fight or flight part of the brain. In other words, the amygdala sends messages to the Autonomic Nervous System, the ANS, which can cause acute spasms and physiological changes anywhere in the body. The messages accumulate in these pain parts of the brain and are communicated to the pain parts of the body. Let me share a personal experience with you. I call my amygdala Miggy, and I do have conversations with it. One night, I had a stabbing pain in my back that I hadn't had for years. And I said, "Okay, Miggy, I've had it with you. You do a great job running my body functions efficiently, and I appreciate that, but this back pain has got to stop. That condition was healed a long time ago, and I've been checked over, and there's nothing wrong with my back. So stop it right now. I can take care of myself. If there's an emotion in the way, I will take care of it. So what do I do when I talk to Miggy? I am familiarizing myself with the term neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is our brain's ability to change its synaptic wiring by learning information and recording experiences, all to maintain a modified state of being. Plasticity allows us to evolve our actions and modify our behavior so that we can do a better job in life. Now, let's do a little consciousness cleansing inspired by words from a forgiveness prayer by Sandra Rolas of Sedona, Arizona. Begin by centering your awareness in that one presence, one power, your higher power, God, or whatever term you use for the innate energy within and without. Pay attention to your breath, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Settling in. Allowing your everyday world to fall away. And ask yourself this question. Is there any energy of judgment in my life that controls my outer circumstances? Any energy of judgment that may be affecting my outcomes. For all the times you judged your physical appearance as anything less than beautiful, or thought that you were ugly, for all the times you believed others who said you were fat or ugly, undesirable, or simply not good enough, take a few moments to tune into all the unresolved guilt, shame, and blame toward yourself, toward your physical body, your sexuality, your sensuality. And breathe in deeply to place your awareness. Scan your body and open your heart. Once again, take another deep, slow breath in and allow that deep feeling of radical forgiveness to wash over you, cleansing and clearing your body on the deepest cell level. Let go of the need to judge any of your actions, words, or choices you have made. For all the times you neglected to take care of yourself on a physical, emotional, spiritual, or financial level. For all the times you deprived yourself of something because others told you that there was something wrong for you to want it. Breathe in deeply to place your awareness. Scan your body and open your heart. And once again, take another deep, slow breath in and allow that deep feeling of radical forgiveness to wash over you, cleansing and clearing your body on the deepest cell level. For all the occasions you accepted someone else's standard of beauty to the detriment of your confidence and self-love. Whenever you did not honor yourself with healthy boundaries and allowed others to control or abuse you. For any time you gave away your power, gave away your money, entered relationships that did not honor you. Breathe in deeply to place your awareness. Scan your body and open your heart. Once again, take another deep, slow breath in and allow that deep feeling of radical forgiveness to wash over you, cleansing and clearing your body on the deepest cell level. For every time you felt unworthy to accept unconditional love, for all the times you held yourself back from giving love because you felt a fear of rejection or a fear of commitment, for any goals you set for yourself and then failed to meet your expectations. Breathe in deeply to place your awareness. Scan your body and open your heart. And once again, take another deep, slow breath in and allow that deep feeling of radical forgiveness to wash over you, cleansing and clearing your body on the deepest cell level. For every time you ignored your own intuition, causing you pain and discomfort, for every time you ignored red flags and followed advice that led to failure, pain, and frustration, for any time you missed an opportunity because you doubted yourself or felt afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Breathe in deeply to place your awareness. Scan your body and open your heart. And once again, take another deep, slow breath in and allow that deep feeling of radical forgiveness to wash over you, cleansing and clearing your body on the deepest cell level. For any time you fell into addictive behavior to distract or not allow yourself to open your heart, for all the times you communicated to yourself or others, "I'm not good enough," or "I will never succeed." Whenever you think back to any creative projects, business opportunities, financial possibilities, and potential relationships that failed for any kind of reason, breathe in deeply to place your awareness. Scan your body and open your heart. And once again, take another deep, slow breath in and allow that deep feeling of radical forgiveness to wash over you, cleansing and clearing your body on the deepest cell level. For all the times you procrastinated, held on to negative thoughts, avoided loving actions, and allowed these behaviors to slow you down or hold you back from reaching your highest potential. For all the times you let other people's negative thought, actions, and behaviors hold you back from your highest potential. For all the times when you held on to a toxic person or a toxic situation far too long. Breathe in deeply to place your awareness. Scan your body and open your heart. And once again, take another deep, slow breath in and allow that deep feeling of radical forgiveness to wash over you, cleansing and clearing your body on the deepest cell level. Dear one, know that you can remove resentment, blame, or judgment so you can free yourself and all others involved from any negative energy or projections that prevent you from moving forward in life. If you find yourself steeped in negativity, forgiving yourself is often the key to emotional freedom and healing. Namaste.